I've got two map layers on my screen. One's a big circle and one's a terrain layer. I want to use the big circle to cut out part of the terrain layer, just like a cookie cutter. To do this in QGIS, it's very easy. I'll go to raster, extraction, and then clip raster by mask layer. From here, I just need to do a few things. The input layer is the terrain layer. The mask layer is my buffered layer. The next couple of options I don't need to change because the target and source coordinate reference system are the same. But one thing I do want to tick is this box that says create an output alpha band, because I want to make sure the clipped area is circular. If you don't tick this box, it'll still work, but what you'll find is you might get black background instead of it being a circle, it'll be a square. So just tick that box if you've got a shape like a circle. And then I'll scroll down, and the last thing you want to do is when it says clipped in brackets mask, if you just hit run, it will work, but it will save it. It won't save it, sorry, it will save a temporary file. So I'll click the browse button to save this to a file. I'll call this one clipped terrain. You can call it what you like. The default format is TIFF, but I don't need to change that, so I'll click save and run. And then I'll close that. It might look like it didn't work, but that's because the raster layer underneath is still on. So if I turn that off, we can see we've got a nicely clipped raster layer just covering the area that we wanted to. So it's just like a cookie cutter with pastry. It just cuts it out. And that is done via raster, extraction, and clip raster by mask layer.